This is question number 13 from the lesson 11 review for the final exam. So police use the formula V equaling the square root of 20L to estimate the speed of a car. So the V is the speed of the car in miles per hour based on the length L in feet of the skid marks when suddenly braking on a dry asphalt road. So, somebody's speeding, they brake really hard, they make skid marks on the road, they measure the skid marks, and when they measure the skid marks, they can tell how fast this car was going. So at the scene of an accident, a police officer measures a car's skid marks to be 180 feet long. Approximate how fast this car was driving. And so the length of the skid mark is 184 feet. So V equaling square root of 20 times L. The L is 184, just like that. So V equals the square root. And I'm going to, before I take the square root, I'm going to multiply those two together. 20 times 184, that gives me 3,680. And then I'm going to take on my calculator square root of 3,680, and I get 60.66300,355. And they want us to round the answer to the nearest tenth. So the tenth is here. I look next to it and I get 60.7. And 60.7 is the V in miles per hour. So 60.7 miles per hour. Now, was this person speeding? I don't know. It depends what it was. If it was a 65 speed limit, then no, this person wasn't speeding. But if they were in a 30, then absolutely they were speeding. But there was still an accident regardless. But we checked, or the police officer checked to see whether what their miles per hour was approximately, and can determine then if they were speeding or if it was just a plain old accident. And that is, I believe, it for that problem. Yeah, there we go.